Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Jessie from Toy Story. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw two curves meeting in the center. Then from the bottom, let's bring it out and down. And then close it off by curving it down from the top. Now top and side, and let's add a few curves. Now let's add the shape of the face by bringing it down on each side. And then curve it down to the center for the chin. Now on each side, let's add a curve for the ears. And then inside, let's curve it down and add a bump at the bottom. Now top in and draw the face. Let's start by drawing two circles for the eyes. And then another circle inside each one towards the center. Now let's add another circle inside on the top right. And then let's add another one behind by curving it around in the center. And color these both in black. Now on top of each eye, let's add a curve for the eyebrows. And then a curve up in the center for the nose. And then for the mouth, let's start on the right and let's curve it over and up to the left side. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop on top and add the hat. Let's start next to the ears and let's draw a large curve up and around. And then to add the string along the edge of the hat, let's draw a wavy line. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and draw the body. Let's start with two small lines down for the neck. And close it off at the bottom. Now for the collar, let's angle it out on each side. And bring it down and up. Now let's draw a small line out for the shoulders. Now underneath, let's angle it down. And bring it back in for the waist. Now to close off the bottom, let's add the belt. Let's start with an oval in the center inside. Then let's bring it out on each side for the belt. And then inside, let's draw two lines down on each side. Now let's hop inside and let's draw 2 circles for the buttons. Now next to the top button, let's draw 2 curves out on each side. And then let's do the same thing on top to add a border. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop down and let's draw the shorts with 2 curves down. And then curve them back into the center. Now inside, let's add a line down and curve it up on the right side. Now on each hip, let's draw the hands. Let's draw a wavy line down. And close it off with a curve on top. Now on top of the hands, let's add 2 angles up. And close off the top with a curve across. Now underneath, let's draw 3 small rectangles going down. Now to continue the arms, let's hop back up to the shoulders and let's angle it down. And then bring it back down. And let's add the same bent line underneath. And that's it for the arms. Now we can hop back up and let's add the braid of her hair. Underneath the right side of her face, let's draw 2 bumps down to the arm. Then on the right, let's start up next to the ear and let's draw 3 bumps down. Now let's hop in and let's draw 2 bumps in the center. And then from the right, let's draw 2 curves in. Now at the end of the braid, let's draw a small square shape. Bring it up, around, and back in for the bow. Now let's add the end of the braid by curving it out and back in. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's hop down and add the legs. Let's start by drawing the left leg with 2 angles down and in. And then let's angle them back out for the bottom of the pants. And close it off with a curve across. Now for the right leg, let's angle these both outwards. And bring it out at the bottom. And then close off the bottom of the pant leg. Now at the bottom of each leg, let's draw 4 rectangles going outwards. Now let's hop in and let's draw the cow pattern on the pants. Let's draw some blob shapes all the way around like this. And then let's color each of these in black. And that's it for the pants. Now let's hop down and let's draw the feet. Starting with the left one, let's draw a curve down. Bring it out and down. And close off the bottom. Now for the right foot, let's angle it underneath with a small curve. Bring it out and down on the right. And then close off the bottom. And that's it for Jessie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!